Baby, can you see that? Uzolazi kanjani ungakabambi ibele?
Welcome to Party Slayers with La Push. It's all about the groove culture, baby. The partying, the dancing, the slaying, the song. Gisha namakuzumela.
Welcome back to Party Slayers. Who are called? Like us, share us, subscribe, everything. This is Party Slayers. With my girl. How are you, my girl?
I'm great, thanks, and how are you?
You look so beautiful.
Thank you so
much.
Yo, kuthi mandikhale.
Hayi, kaSavani yakhalisana.
Awuyazi.
Ithi
kumnandi.
Mari Savani pese right.
Yo, no, I don't wanna lie. I have to drink this, ne?
Yeah.
I'm a black label kind of woman.
Oh, and you put black label.
Apparently. So my friends suggested this, and I'm talking about siyakhala.
Black label into ayiphuzayo mara namhlanje usesavivo Savannah.
You know why?
Yeah.
Because apparently it's my birthday month, so they think they are spoiling me, and I'm not even feeling. But this thing, guys, no to Savannah. I've been trying to drink, but it's not downing.
And it is good. Yes, we can go today. 500 mils.
Yo, Zazokhala mos.
Uzayiqeda man.
Oh, obvious. Yo.
Uzayiqeda. Usisi uyayiqeda iphiya yakhe. This is Party Slayers with La Push. She said the rock. Everything is happening. It's a rocker fella. It's a rockalicious with Party Slayers. I'm your host, Posha aka now.
Danko!